people. So, as you're getting around to want to write your novel or short story, you would want to pick a genre to write in, so your audience and your reader know what to expect. So it's a nice thing. For me, it was kind of a no-brainer because I had some experiences in my life that you can read about in my book with mental illness. So for me, I wanted to use my own life, and to that I chose the genre autofiction. Now, for those of you who don't know what autofiction is, it's kind of fiction versus picking experiences from your own life, picking people from your own life. Like, you take your whole life and then you write it down and then you fictionalize it, maybe to make it more extraordinary. So it's both fiction and facts. So, autofiction. But I have made a little slideshow for you, so you can see. And I give some examples also if you want to read more about autofiction authors. So, enjoy. So, with this little genre tip, I hope that you have a feeling of lust to get around to write your autofiction novel. So just keep writing, keep it juicy, and go all the way. Take care.